Hi, welcome to Dubai Marina Towers, and we're at the Nutcracker Wonderland, which is brought to you by EMAR Community Management. Oh, 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 Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Are you enjoying the event?
Yes, very much.
Yeah, it's really impressive. It's really nice.
Okay, good for the family and the kids, yeah?
Oh, wonderful. I mean, as you can see, everyone's enjoying themselves. It's marvellous.
We're loving it. It's a great family event here put on by EMAR, and it's our neighborhood, so we saw it posted. Look at all the kids and families around here. It's great.
Merry Christmas!